coffee smells and your old flannel shirt. You'd lift me on your shoulders like I ruled the whole wide earth. Taught me how to throw a ball, how to fix a broken dream, how to stand up tall when the whole world pulled at the seams. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I hope you feel this love. Every laugh we ever shared is shining up above. You're the steady hand that held me, the quiet strength I knew. Even when the years go flying, I'm still so proud of you. A little bit of happy, a little bit of blue. Time keeps moving faster, but my heart still runs to you. Now I'm grown and life is loud, but I still hear your voice telling me to keep on trying, always make the better choice. We don't say it every day, but man, I feel it deep. The way you love without conditions, that's the kind that never sleeps. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I hope you feel this love. Every scar you turned your wisdom, every push and every hug. You're the reason I keep going when the road gets rough and long. You're my hero, you're my safe place, you're my favorite song. A little bit of happy, a little bit of blue. Thank you for the man you raised. I carry all of you. Sometimes I miss the little kid who fit right in your arms. The Sunday mornings, bedtime stories, keeping me from harm. But every time I look inside, I see your eyes in mine, and I smile through the missing, 'cause your love outlives all time. Happy Father's Day, Dad. This one's straight from me. For the nights you stayed up worrying, and the days you let me be. Heart is full and eyes are misty, but it feels so good to say I love you more than yesterday, and I'll love you more today. Yeah, a little bit of happy, a little bit of blue, but mostly I'm just grateful